Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a very delicious Swiss roll. It is a lemon curd Swiss roll. It's a very easy recipe, very basic ingredients. But this right now what you can see is a lemon curd. I have to prepare a lemon curd, and for that I have taken egg yolks, I have taken lemon juice, I have taken some corn starch, sugar, lemon zest, salt, and I've taken some milk. Okay, so the measurements you will find in this in the description box. In the down description you will find all the measurements. These are the basic ingredients that you need for a lemon curd, that is egg yolks, lemon juice, sugar, milk, and cornstarch. So let me show you the method of making this amazing lemon curd. Lemon zest in the sugar, okay, because you have to mix it in the sugar. Now I have added the sugar in the what have I added, the egg yolks, and I've also put the pinch of salt in this mixture. Now I will add the corn starch inside this, the corn starch. Then I will add the milk. I'm going to add the milk. I'm going to add the lemon juice. So nearly all the things I've added everything, and I'm now going to mix this all together. Whisk, I'm going to mix this all together, combine everything together. Put this on the stove now, and I've kept the stove medium low. I've kept it on medium low heat because I want this to become this to get done, and I've kept it on medium low, and I'm going to wait for it to thicken a bit. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to get a bit thick, and then I will show you the consistency. So guys, you can see that the lemon curd is absolutely ready. You want it to be this thick. I just let it be on the stove for 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe less than that. And this is what you want. This is the thickness that you want, because this is your lemon curd. Okay, this is the lemon curd which is ready, which we will be using to make our put it in our Swiss roll. This is what it looks like. See, this is what it is. This is how it looks. See this, right? So this is what it looks like, your lemon curd, and this is the thickness that you need. If it's very thin, then your sponge, the Swiss roll, it will not come on your Swiss roll. So you want this kind of a consistency. Okay, it should be a very thick consistency, and the cornstarch that I've put in it has brought in the consistency. So your lemon curd is ready. This is your lemon curd. Lemon curd is ready, guys. See, this is what it looks like, and it's ready, and it tastes also good. I have tasted it, and it tastes amazing. So if those people who don't know how to make lemon curd, this is such an easy recipe, and it is made so quickly with few ingredients. So here you go. If you want to add butter in it, you can add 2 tablespoons butter in it. I'm not adding butter because I don't have butter. So I'm just going to leave it and leave my lemon curd just like this. It's the time I'm going to make the Swiss roll. For that I have taken 3 eggs. I've taken 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I've taken 1 cup flour, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon baking soda, baking powder, 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so this is a very simple cake that I'm making, and all the measurements you will find in the description for all the method, and all the method and the ingredients you will find in the description. So don't leave out any ingredient, because this is a very important steps. All steps are very important. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat the egg and the vanilla essence. You can see, after I beat the eggs, then I will add in the sugar. You can see that I have beaten the egg and the sugar, and it's very frothy. You want this kind of consistency because you want a very soft sponge cake. Now I'm going to add the vegetable oil, and I'm going to give it a mix again. Guys, this is what the plain cake looks like, for which I'm going to make the Swiss roll out of. I've added all the ingredients, the dry ingredient, the wet ingredient, and this is what your batter looks like. Okay, so now we're going to bake this. We're going to bake this. Okay, so guys, the Swiss roll is getting done. This is a sponge cake, and I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for just 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to put it in my preheated oven. My oven is already preheating, and I'm going to just do it for 12, bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. This is my lemon curd which is ready, and this is my sponge cake which is ready. I'm going to spread all this lemon curd on the sponge after I've taken it out from the oven. So guys, I have spread the entire lemon curd on the sponge cake, and now I'm going to roll it. So this is the way we are going to fold the Swiss roll. Guys, this is what the Swiss roll looks like after I had laid down the Swiss roll and the lemon curd. When I had laid down the lemon curd on the Swiss roll batter, then I mean the cake, and I folded it into I had folded the cake. It took me some difficulties in doing so, but I was able to manage it. And you need the cake to completely cool down, then you can turn it around with the Swiss roll and then cut it into pieces like this, like I have cut it, round shapes of it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm sure it's very tasty. It's very delicious. So give it a try, guys, and subscribe to my channel. You can make this recipe and give me your comments. Subscribe, share, and like the video if you liked it, and follow the complete ingredients and the method to make the Swiss roll. And please make sure that whenever you are going to when you're going to twist the Swiss roll, you're going to make it into a roll form. Please let the cake cool down and then roll the cake, otherwise your cake could fall apart. So this is ready and to be eaten, so enjoy it.